Samsung often releases special versions of its Galaxy S series phones with famous artists or companies. For example, they made the Galaxy S20 Plus BTS edition with the band BTS and the Galaxy S23 Ultra BMW M edition with BMW. Now they're doing the same thing with the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and they've just launched the first special version of this phone. Nexon Games in South Korea revealed the Galaxy S24 Ultra Accessory Blue Archive Edition. This edition is themed around Nexon's tactical role-playing game Blue Archive. Although details about what's included in this special edition are not available yet, it's likely to have a unique color scheme and packaging inspired by the game, along with collectible items related to Blue Archive. Nexon Games mentioned that they will share more details about its availability and showcase the product in a special video in early March. We think Samsung might only sell the special Blue Archive edition of the Galaxy S24 Ultra in South Korea because the Blue Archive game isn't very popular in other places. If they do sell it elsewhere, it will probably cost more, but we can't be certain until Samsung tells us officially. The Galaxy S24 phones got a lot of attention when they came out last month. Samsung's new top phones broke the record for the most pre-orders in many countries like India and South Korea. Samsung said they sold over 1 million Galaxy S24 phones in South Korea really quickly. Samsung said they sold more than 1 million Galaxy S24 phones in South Korea in just 28 days after they came out. That's faster than how quickly the Galaxy S8 sold. But the Galaxy Note 10 is still the best-selling fancy phone Samsung has ever made. The Galaxy S24 came close to beating it, but it was only 3 days away. In South Korea, most of the Galaxy S24 phones sold were the Ultra model, making up 55% of all sales. The others were the regular S24 and the S24 Plus. While Samsung hasn't given official numbers for sales in other countries, a person who often shares insider info, Ice Universe, said that globally, the Galaxy S24 series is expected to sell over 10 million phones in just 1 month. In the US, it said that Galaxy S24 sales hit 3.2 million units, breaking a record set by the popular Galaxy S8 8 years ago. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.